In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a countdown timer in PowerPoint. Whether you're gearing up for a business presentation or want to add an engaging element to a school project, integrating a countdown timer is a fantastic choice. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get this all set up seamlessly. To kick things off, open up the Microsoft PowerPoint app on your computer. If you're not already familiar, PowerPoint is a versatile tool within the Microsoft Office suite, making it possible to create impressive slide decks with relative ease. Once you've launched PowerPoint, go ahead and select the document you'd like to work on. This could be a new project or an existing one where you want to add your timer. Simply navigate to the file you've been working on or start fresh with a new presentation. Now, for a slightly less common step, we're going to need to interact with the Developer tab. If this isn't already visible in your PowerPoint interface, you'll need to enable it. You can do this by heading over to File, then Options, and customizing your ribbon to include the Developer tab. This tab will give you access to additional functionalities that aren't always needed but are incredibly useful in this instance. Next, with the Developer tab at your fingertips, click on it. From there, you'll see an option labeled Add-ins. And this is where you'll start to bring in external tools that will help create your countdown feature. It's worth noting that this process makes use of third-party add-ins available through the PowerPoint store. Clicking on the add-ins will open a new pane on your screen. Now, follow that by clicking on Store. The PowerPoint add-in store is a treasure trove of tools that can further enhance your presentations. In the search bar of this store, type BreakTime. BreakTime is a fantastic add-in that will allow you add a countdown timer directly into your presentation. You'll see the listing for BreakTime in the search results. Once you find BreakTime, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a detailed overview of the add-in. Make sure to glance through the description so you have a good sense of what it offers. At this point, you're ready to click Add. By doing this, BreakTime will integrate into your PowerPoint as an add-in, and you can insert countdown timers into your slides. And that's it. You now have access to a fully functioning countdown timer in your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, using dynamic elements like this not only enhances viewer engagement, but also helps in keeping track of time during your presentations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy presenting!